ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashaphi taka Frank Motors. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses. Experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Kumshi benta ban ai buram me jing shakri ki nurse na benta ka koi kya ki pat ba ban buram kar pangru ek sngi kha ka Florence Nightingale ka civil hospital nongpo rengkat ka office ka district medical and health officer ribhoi benta ka sngi la penlong ye ka jing rakhe ka sngi kar pang bra tip kum international nurse day ya ka ni jing rakhe ya ka sngi kar pang ki nurse da shimbenta da ka doctor D bla ka bade ka medical superintendent of civil hospital nongpo kum kong san ba ka district medical and health officer ka ribhoi ka Dr. TS Momin Lasa kilang ru haka ni kasngi ni ka general lang ki doctor bat ki nurse na ka benta ban ai buram ya ki nurse ki belong kum kita ki paya bas kem ban ai Jingsumar sukher ki bapang ba Shitom. Haka ni kasngi la penlong ru da ka jing ot cake bat kum ju ru ka jing penidor ya ka Florence Nightingale ka belong si benta ban kertiang dia ni ka jing alam lenti ka tika nurse ka belong yo ka nam ka buram hasat la ka perthai halo ki kam bakala shakri kum kata ka nurse. Habakaran hagani kasi kemukong san ke doktor di belak lapen pau pat ba lagi kamba bagi nurse kle shakri hake emlang ka salang hak ba om tang bagi ajing sumar daga bentak ke pang ba Shitom bagi danru ke bentak ke bakrau hak ba Kyntiew ya ke yok kot lagi pat ba ke hap daga koi ka khia na kalyang ke district medical and health officer ke ribhoi ke Dr. TS Momin ru habakaran hagani ke sngi ke lapen sngot hu pat ba bekum ki nong shong ke jella bat karihi borok oi ki dan kam bandon kata ke jing buram ya ki nurse nomor ki nurse kitre ya ke kam ke bah khamat ban ajing ka jing kya ke jella bat kari bat de ki nurse ke dan benta borok ki liang ban ai kata ke jing shakri ke bapaka ya ki bapang ba Shitom ke laben ram
each year to mark the contribution that nurses make to our society. Today, let us recognize not only their skills and knowledge, but also their empathy and humanity. Nurses are not just first caregivers, but they are the heart and soul of healthcare, tirelessly working to ensure the well-being of patients with compassion, expertise, and dedication. Nurses stand strong, providing comfort and care to those in need. They are the frontline heroes, selflessly putting the needs of others above their own, often working long hours in challenging conditions. As a nurse, you have the opportunity to heal the mind, the soul, heart and body of the patients. They may forget your name, but they will never forget how you made them feel. Nurses are the beating heart of our medical system. This is what I feel for each and every one of you. You know, I've had many good moments and experience with my friends, the nurses' friends in the past. I have learned so much from them. You know, like learning from small people or big people, remember that asking and learning is also knowledge. Nurses are my companions throughout, who have supported me throughout. Like I've always said, in all my, whenever we have a get-together with the nurses, I've always said that I spend 5 minutes with a patient, but a nurse will spend 6 hours of life every day with the patient. And every time my patient recover, the credit goes to my nursing friends. I Googled a little bit and I found the 6 C's of nursing. That is care, compassion, courage, communication, commitment, and competence. So these are the qualities that a nurse has to have to be a nurse. Yes, it is. A nurse is very unique. So you wear your uniform proudly, whether in the hospital or in the field. And you be caring and compassionate with the patients. Be encouraging. You need to give hope to your patient. And one more thing I just want to add, that always obey and respect your seniors. You learn from them. We have learned so many things from our seniors. You will be experienced in your clinical side 50% just for listening and obeying to your seniors. So today I would like to take this opportunity to say thank you to all the nurses who have worked with me and who have supported me and accompanied me all through my clinical experience. All of you have been so good, so kind, and I have so many unforgettable memories with all of you. I salute to all the nurses of Ribhoi, and all the nurses out there in the world. You are the backbone of our healthcare system, and the world is a better place because of you. Happy International Nurses Day, and God bless.